Meet Jane. She really dislikes going to the dentist, and she's worried about her dental health. She knows that general health and dental health go hand in hand, but needs to find a dentist her family can all be comfortable with. So Jane looked for a dental practice that specialized in gentle touch dentistry for patients of all ages. And she found us. We know that a trip to the dentist is not everyone's idea of fun, which is why we do our best to make the visit as easy as possible for the whole family. Now Jane and her family feel much more at ease having regular dental checkups, and if problems do occur, they know they'll be taken care of gently but effectively. Come and see what gentle touch dentistry can do for your family's dental health. Book a consultation today.